Are you tired of struggling to fit your entire wardrobe into a tiny carry-on bag? Does your suitcase turn into a chaotic mess the second you open it at the hotel? In today's video, I'm showing you exactly how to transform your luggage using packing cubes. We're reviewing the top 5 sets on the market to see which ones actually save space and which ones are just hype. Let's get organized and hit the road. Product number 1. Bling Cool 8-set packing cubes with clear toiletry bag. The Bling Cool 8 set is a comprehensive solution for travelers who prioritize visibility and organization. This set stands out because it includes a TSA-approved clear toiletry bag, which is a game changer for speeding through airport security. The cubes are crafted from durable, tear-resistant fabric that handles the rigors of a packed carry-on with ease. The see-through mesh panels allow you to identify your clothes instantly without unzipping every bag. With 8 pieces, ranging from large garment folders to small accessory pouches, you can categorize your entire wardrobe. The zippers are smooth and reinforced, ensuring they won't snag when you're trying to compress that last pair of jeans. It's an excellent value for money set for those who want a one-and-done purchase that covers everything from socks to skincare. Product number 2. Bag Smart Compression Packing Cubes, set of 6, 4, or 2. If your goal is to fit a week's worth of clothes into a tiny carry-on, the Bag Smart Compression Cubes are your best friend. Unlike standard cubes, these feature a secondary zipper system that physically squeezes excess air out, shrinking the volume of your soft goods by up to 40%. Made from ultra-lightweight polyester, they add virtually no weight to your luggage while providing structure. The build quality is impressive, with reinforced seams that withstand the high tension of compression. These are particularly popular among backpackers and minimalist travelers who need to maximize every square inch of space. The sleek, modern design and variety of sizes make it easy to color code your packing. They effectively turn a chaotic suitcase into a modular, high-efficiency storage system. Product number 3. Amazon Essentials 4-piece space-saving packing cubes. Formerly under the Amazon Basics label, this 4-piece set is the gold standard for reliable, no-frills organization. It includes 4 distinct sizes that fit perfectly into a standard domestic carry-on. The design features a mesh top panel for breathability and quick identification, which is vital for keeping clothes fresh during long trips. The double zipper pulls are sturdy and easy to grip, allowing for fast access. While these don't offer active compression like the Bag Smart set, they are exceptionally good at maintaining the shape of folded items, preventing the jumble that usually happens at the bottom of a bag. For the budget-conscious traveler or those new to the world of packing cubes, this set offers incredible durability and utility at a fraction of the cost of premium brands. Product number 4. Bagel Packing Cubes 6, 8, 10 set. Bagel has built a massive following by offering high-capacity sets in a staggering array of colors and patterns. Whether you need a 6 set for a weekend trip or a 10 set for a family vacation, Bagel provides various sizes that accommodate everything from bulky winter coats to tiny charging cables. The fabric is high-quality nylon that balances lightness with strength. One of the best features of this set is the deep design of the larger cubes, which allows for vertical packing, the Marie Kondo style, so you can see every shirt at once. The variety of sizes ensures that no corner of your carry-on goes to waste. It's the perfect choice for the heavy packer who wants a systematic way to bring more without the mess. Product number 5. Vandal Space-Saving Compression Packing Cubes. Vandal focuses on a premium, aesthetic approach to compression. These cubes are designed for both men and women who want a sophisticated look inside their luggage without sacrificing functionality. The compression zippers are heavy-duty, designed to handle the pressure of overpacking without bursting. Vandal's material feels slightly more luxe and soft to the touch compared to standard polyester options, yet it remains highly water-resistant. These cubes are particularly effective at keeping dressier items like blouses or slacks relatively wrinkle-free by holding them firmly in place. If you are a business traveler who needs to transition from the airplane to a meeting, the Vandal set provides the professional organization and space-saving power required for a sleek carry-on experience.